Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. If you've been on the hunt for a product that promises healthier nails, nourished cuticles, and overall nail vitality, then you're in for a treat today. Meet the PURA D'OR 4Oz Nail and Cuticle Oil, a natural, nourishing blend designed to strengthen nails and promote healthy growth. Whether you've got dry nails or you're recovering from acrylics or gels, this oil claims to offer deep hydration and support, but how does it truly measure up? Let's find out. This nourishing treatment is packed with some heavy hitters in the beauty world, like biotin, vitamin E, and a rich blend of sunflower oil, honey, jojoba, and almond milk. These ingredients are specifically chosen to help cracked, dry nails recover, encouraging strong new growth and replenishing damaged nail beds. What's also great is that it's safe for acrylic nails, which makes it ideal for anyone who regularly gets gels or acrylics and needs a little extra TLC for their nails in between visits. Using this oil is a breeze, thanks to the convenient dropper that allows for easy application. You can apply it directly to your cuticles and nail beds and let it sink in. The oil absorbs quickly without feeling greasy, leaving nails feeling hydrated without that heavy, oily residue. Now, I've been using this product for a few weeks, and here's my experience. The texture is light and absorbs easily into the skin. I love how soothing it feels after a long day when my nails and cuticles are feeling a bit rough. I didn't notice a drastic change overnight, but after a few days, my nails and cuticles looked visibly more nourished and less cracked. I used it daily, and the hydration really helped keep my nails and cuticles looking fresh, even between manicures. If you've got acrylic nails or regularly use gel, you'll definitely notice a difference. It helps in those precious recovery moments when your nails need a little more care between salon sessions. Plus, with consistent use, I found that my nails were smoother and more even, which is great if you're prone to ridges or uneven nail beds. On the flip side, one thing to keep in mind is that the dropper doesn't allow for precise control of the amount of oil, so you may find yourself using a bit more than you need, especially if you're not careful. Also, while it does an excellent job of moisturizing and smoothing, some users may need a stronger solution if they have extremely damaged nails from past acrylics or gels. So what's the value here? At 4 odds, this bottle lasts quite a while, making it a solid investment for those who want to maintain healthy nails over time. While it might seem a bit pricier than some cuticle oils on the market, the natural ingredients and the fact that it's vegan and free of harsh chemicals definitely add value, especially if you're looking for a product that's gentle yet effective. If you're comparing it to other cuticle oils, I'd say the PURA D'OR Nail and Cuticle Oil definitely holds its own. Some alternatives might be a little cheaper, but they often contain less nourishing ingredients, so this product seems to strike a good balance between quality and price. Now, if you're on a budget and still looking for a good alternative, something like the Sally Hansen Vitamin E Cuticle Oil might be a more affordable option, though it doesn't have the same luxurious hydrating blend that PURA D'OR offers. As for the build quality, I found the packaging to be sturdy and the dropper quite functional. Though as mentioned, it's easy to use a little more oil than necessary. The longevity of this product is impressive, with the formula lasting several weeks of daily use without losing its effectiveness. And since it's not filled with artificial fragrances or chemicals, it feels safe on my skin and nails. I haven't had any personal experience with PURA D'OR's customer service, but based on their reputation for delivering natural, reliable products, I'd assume they stand by their offerings. So, does this product live up to the hype? Absolutely. For anyone needing a gentle, effective way to care for their nails and cuticles, especially after acrylics or gels, the PURA D'OR Nail and Cuticle Oil is a winner. If you're looking to invest in your nail health and want something that nourishes and strengthens without any harsh ingredients, this is worth the try. Now, if this review was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our honest beauty reviews. Your support helps us bring you more content like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the PURA D'OR Nail and Cuticle Oil, drop a comment below and let me know your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.